Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to cut and sew this beautiful lace kaftan with a cowl shape, scallop neckline and a front slit. It is very easy to make. For this style I used 4 yards of sample lace. So if this is what you would love to learn how to make, sit back, relax and enjoy the tutorial. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, click the red button down below to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Without further ado, let's move right to the tutorial. I bought this lace 2,500 naira per yard and I bought 4 yards. The first thing that I did, I folded it into two. I want to cut the front bodice first. So I folded it into two and I make sure the scallopy edges are aligned together. I'm arranging the fabric to make sure that the edges are aligned together. From the edge of the table, I measured 3 inches and I placed my fabric on the 3 inches mark. Then I measured my desired neck depth 8 inches. The way I placed the fabric, I slanted it. If you look closely, the way I placed the fabric, it is a little bit slanted. Then I marked my starting line. I marked my neck depth, which is 8 inches. From the center back to where the sleeve will stop, I used the total length of the fabric. At that point, I measured 1.5 inches for shoulder slope and I connect it to the edge of the fabric. From my center back to where I want the sleeve to stop is below my elbow. At that point, I measured the round sleeve. What I got was 12 inches. I was supposed to divide this 12 inches by 2, which will be 6 inches, but I forgot to divide it and I impute the exact 12 inches. But I later trim it down to 7 inches after sewing. You will see when I trim it down. Next, I measured from my shoulder to my knee line. I mark it. On the knee line, I impute my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 3 inches. Then I measure my gown length, which is 62 inches including hemming allowance. The total wideness that I have on my knee line is 16 inches. So I measure that 16 inches straight to the hemline. And I roll that into a straight line. From the knee line, I draw my cowl shape to the sleeve opening. If you don't know how to draft a cowl shape, I have enough cowl shape tutorial on my channel, so check it out. So from the knee line, you will draw your cowl shape to the sleeve opening. After that, you will cut it out. Remember, this is the front bodice, so after cutting I'm going to fold the remaining fabric into two to cut the back bodice. I've folded the remaining fabric into two and I place the front bodice on it to cut the back bodice. Watch the placement of the fabric. See the way I slant the neckline. I measured 3 inches and I placed the front bodice on it. I make sure that the neckline area is slanted. The rest of the center front will align with the folded edge of the back. Only the neckline is going to be slanted. So next is to mark the back neckline. I measured 1 inch for the back neck depth. Then I curve it and cut it out. Just watch how I'm cutting it. Then I trace the shoulder slope and the sides. Because of the way I slanted the front bodice on the back bodice, the sleeve wasn't equal, so I rule a straight line and cut the sleeve to make it equal. So after cutting the sleeve to make it equal, I didn't like how the sleeve was too close to the bodice, so I decided to trim it inward a little. I decided to trim the cowl shape inward because I wanted the sleeve to be separate from the bodice. I don't want it to be close to the cowl shape, so I decided to reshape it. After cutting, I'm going to use the same fabric to tape the back neckline. I'll use the fabric as bias to sew the neckline. Then after sewing the neckline of the back bodice, I'm going to place the two front bodies on it, right side facing each other. I'm going to sew the shoulder, hem the sleeve opening, sew the sides, top stitch the front bodice. I'm going to overlap the front on each other and top stitch from the neckline to where I want the front slit to start from. Then I'm going to hem the down part. So for the front bodice, you will overlap the scallop on each other, then you will top stitch on it straight to where you want your slit to start from. After joining the bodies, it was at that point that I realized the sleeve opening was too big, so I trim it out. From the shoulder, I measured down 7 inches. Then from the 7 inches, I curve it to blend to the bodies to the side, and I cut it out. So I told her to join the side with 1/2 inch and blend it, then trim out the excess. At this point, she had already folded the edge of the sleeve opening twice, so I just decided to cut it out. After cutting it out, I picked the leftover fabric. I decided to cut out band for the sleeve. Then I decided to use the part that has the scallop edges as the band for the sleeve. So I cut out the width of the sleeve opening on the fabric. I cut it out in 2 places, which is going to serve as band to the sleeve. Then we sew it to the edge of the sleeve. After sewing, you open up the seam, you will give it a good press and overlock the edges. So guys, that's all about the making of this lace kaftan. Make sure that the fabric you buy will have these scallop edges so that you will have enough scallop to make any design of your choice. After cutting, we attach the band to the sleeve. We gave it a good press, and that's about it guys for today's tutorial. This is the final look guys. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so. I upload weekly tutorial on my channel. Also remember to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until I come your way next, please stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye for now.